Good day, fellow crafters. Welcome back to the Forget-Me-Not Card Company YouTube channel. I'm Tamara, the Card Creator, and today we're going to create those beautiful butterfly cards using the reverse foiling method and some new crafty products that were graciously sent to me by Crafty Critta. I really enjoyed using them, and they made these beautiful cards come together stunningly. Let's dive into this project. I start first by choosing the pattern that I wanted. In this beautiful summertime foiling system, there are some pre-printed foils. There's 2 of each for a total of 8. I settled on this beautiful background. It's a butterfly background, and I know my recipient's going to love it. I was also given this beautiful galaxy rainbow, and it is stunning, absolutely stunning. So I know that this is going to create a gorgeous card for me. I do have just slightly a little bit of overhang on my foiling from when I cut it down, so I do have a little bit of a copy paper. Just a thin paper will do the trick. I didn't want it sticking to my carrier sheet. I run it through my foiling system. I always run it through twice. I don't think this is necessary, but I personally kind of like doing this. Look at how gorgeous. Just lovely. So you can see the before it's foiled and after it's foiled. The lights in my studio don't do it justice. The shimmer and shine is gorgeous. Now, I do have that extra foiling that you see on my background there, and I'm going to use the toner sheet greatly given to me by Crafty Crittas. It is a white toner, and I should have cut this down. However, it still comes out beautiful. Again, I do run it through my foiling system twice, and here is why I should have cut it down, because the white toner did stick to my carrier sheet. So, lesson learned, but my carrier sheet still can be used. You can see how gorgeous this is going to look, and I peel back the foil, and look at that. How lovely. I'm going to cut this down. So it's going to fit on my 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 cardstock. Just stunning. Both of these turned out absolutely lovely. Now, my recipient that's going to receive the white, her favorite color is purple. So I did have some dye ink on my brush. So I do put a little bit of purple on here just to kind of dull down the white, although you can leave it white. I just know my recipient loves purple, and she also loves butterflies, so this is going to be perfect. So just make sure you buff off any ink that may be sitting on top of your foil, just so it doesn't come off in their hands. For my layering, I couldn't decide if I wanted black or if I wanted white. This was actually kind of a hard decision for me. So here I start with the black, then I go to the white, then I go back to the black. I ended up settling on the white, but let me know what you would have done. I feel like the white there makes it perfect and definitely makes the butterflies pop. But the purple one, I kind of second-guessed my decision after I'd adhered it. What would you have done? I secure these with my Barely Arts glue. This is my favorite liquid glue at the moment. Now for the sentiment. I have 6 of these hellos, and I do attach 3 hellos for each card, just to add that depth and dimension onto my card for the sentiment. Look how lovely that looks. What an easy, beautiful card, and I know my recipient's going to love this. Now, I felt like my white kind of got a little bit lost with the white butterflies, so I decided to cut out the shadow dye in black. I adhere the white hello on top of the black shadow and secure it onto my card. It looks good, but I feel as if I need a little something more. So I whip out my glossy accents, and it gives it the perfect design that I am going for. It takes a second just to add the glossy accents, and I'm being careful not to get it on the foils. I start with it just on the hello, then I go to the black section. It will look cloudy at first, however, when it dries clear, you know that it's dried completely. It gives just this extra something to your card that I think all of us like to have occasionally. Just something different and unique. Look how lovely that shine is. I love this foiling. It makes it so easy to complete a card in just a matter of minutes. Let me know which of the two are your favorite. I happen to love both. I couldn't decide, but I know my recipients are gonna love both of them. After seeing these projects in action, I hope you are as excited as I am to add Crafty Critta to your preferred supplier list. They also sell some storage solutions that you might find of interest, so be sure to check them out on their website for more information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crafting tips, design ideas, and fun tutorials. As always, click the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest content. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.